Oh yeah, oh, slow. Oh yeah. A selfie.
Yeah, excuse us. Up to. I say, guess more chair and I think I any.
Yes, yeah.
Which chair? Now, I'll be Jinam and we say, oh, I don't be from Yana. Over from here, but let me change.
Hey, Brian, so Mister.
More quaint. Every year more. More could you do? Hey, tasty cream. Oh, as we see, I'm a free KFC, but
KFC.
My Brian, I see I am who be a sir.
To be a refina, and I who said, when you oh, yeah, just said, carefully, ye beefy, by you whom I are talking. What?
Because some come over here.
Yeah, but confused you, Dama.
Oh, Papa, Papa, oh, Papa, Fientino, a day.
So will be baby.
Now, Papa, so be done, or baby, Anna.
Eh, refina, who's a mobile. So,
what's the move? Eh, some mirror, Anna.
By the way, what the onion TNT? You bet to me a number and they are quite now watching that. Nothing movie be a Benjamin number.
Your number like a number,
phone number, more.
Oh, phone number, oh, sorry. I don't want to hear
you are you. Are they phone number no more different number be a man and tell the mama?
Yeah.
Hey,
yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a number man. I'm sorry. One year, some gratitude.
Ah,
the fear no shit.
Yeah, you a cream.
I'm Muslim could do the affair moba. Huh? What's it?
William. A mouth boom for many and there, or why you wait a mouth boom for the fan number. I won't say we are one of common sort.
Oh, me and not say we are born. Need to plan could be different. Me for how?
Oh, hey, that's a much more harder.
Yeah, drive and make you
know,
serious.
Because of
my neighbor, Papa says, I made a hacker. I mean, Namay dying. Driver, boy.
I didn't know.
Hey!
To me, they are sister.
Sir, can I do your phone?
Wow, honorable Jordan fucking.
Now, where's where?
Okay.
One soon.
Hey! Yeah.
Oh, David, no, Mammy, Munning. They are here.
What are you guys doing here? Come on, go. Get out from here. Go. What are you doing here? Lead straight. Come on, go. This is my house. What are you doing here? What are you guys doing here? No, don't mind these illiterates. You're unemployed. They're doing nothing.
Wow.
Go find something better to do. Yeah, this is my house. Don't mind them. Oh, come on, go.
Are you sure?
They have nothing to do. They always brag. This is my house.
Are you sure?
Yes, definitely.
Oh, really? Oh, sister, come and catch road. Mister, me ever can and call. I may be fire.
Don't mind them. This is what they do all over. This is what they do. So what are you ladies doing here?
You
guys should be very careful about guys like this. This is what they do over here. They still. Hey, what? Go! Get away! Go! Wow! Hey, I'm going to call the police now. Hey, go! This area is very risky. These guys like this. We need to talk to the police. They are very risky. But you girls should also take care of yourselves, right? Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Hey,
sister.
Funka!